The average annual rainfall in a certain region is modeled by the function of t equals 15 minus 10 sine the quantity of pi over 5t plus pi over 2, where s represents the annual rainfall in inches, t represents the number of years since 1985.
From the equation negative 10 sine the quantity of pi over 5 times the quantity of t plus 5 over 2 plus 15, we can see that A equals negative 10, B equals pi over 5, C equals 5 over 2, and D equals 15. This means that the amplitude is 10 and is flipped over the x-axis because of the negative A value. The period is also 10. The phase shift is 5 over 2 to the left. The vertical shift is 15 up. The maximum of the graph is 25 and the minimum is 5.
Question A asks, according to this model, what is the maximum annual rainfall in inches for this region? According to this model, the maximum annual rainfall for this region is 25 inches. Question B asks, what is the period of this function and what does it represent in the context of the problem? The period of this function is 10 units. Each period represents 10 years. Problem C asks, in which years between 1985 and 2010 did the maximum amount of rainfall occur? Support your answer algebraically and graphically. The graph you make should contain the entire time frame and should be done by hand.
From 1985 to 2010, the maximum amount of rainfall occurred in 1990, 2000, and 2010. 5, 15, and 25 years after 1985, the maximum amount of rainfall of 25 years is reached. I know this is correct because the period of the graph is 10, meaning the maximum will be reached every 10 years. Question D asks, according to this model, approximately how many inches of rain fell in this region in 2004? According to this model, approximately 6.9 inches of rain fell in this region in 2004.